Just like gumbo, the oil from the sausage, I'm not interested in. It gives it a very acidic flavor. That's all oil. You can see it. It's like gasoline and water. They don't go together. And if you just push your spoon down, you can see the oil. You see the oil right there. You're gonna lose a little bit of juju, but not a lot. Just push down slightly and it comes right into your spoon like a red fish in the boat. Go over here. For some reason, the oil clumps to the edges. And you can just watch it. And as you get that oil out, you're going to see a much prettier color for your red beans. I got the oil out, but I want to get more oil out. So what do? You put the fire back on, and you can already see the oil releasing through here. It's cooking that oil out. You see the yellow. It's cooking all the oil and bringing it to the top. This is what you want. This is what you don't want. Most people leave it in there, but I think that just changes the flavor. You can see the little skim of oil right through here. That's how quick it comes out. So I'll turn it up for about a minute.